marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to me. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Moondance by Van Morrison. This song is so much fun to play, a little bit tricky, but I have come up with a really nice arrangement that I think captures the vibe that Van Morrison is going for, but also simplifies it so it's easier to sing and play. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm Brenda Earl-Stokes. I'm the owner and creator of Piano and Voice with Brenda. I make creative and practical resources for singers, pianists, and music educators. So the first thing that I always like to do is go online and just Google the song name plus lyrics and chords, and you'll get something like this. And as you can see in this one, I created this one myself because I'm persnickety about it, but you'll find these, Ultimate Guitar has them, they're all over the place. And what it shows you is where you play the chord in relationship to the lyrics. So it's like, well, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance. That's where you would play the chords. And so I'm working off this sheet for this entire tutorial. And as I said, it's very, very easy to find online. So the first thing that we're going to do is go through and make some decisions about the chords that we're going to play. Now, the overwhelming accompaniment strategy for this one is this pattern here that goes. Okay, and so I'm going to explain that for you now. What it is for the A minor 7 chord, right? You're actually going kind of from A minor 7 to B minor 7, back and forth. And so some of the sheet music that I found records it as A minor 7 and then B minor 7 to B minor 7 over E, or E7 sus. Or, you know, A minor 7 to B minor 7, and then the left hand goes to E. And so you can also just call this A minor 7 with like a pattern underneath it. And so the voicing that I'm using for the A minor 7 is I'm playing 7, 3, and 5. So I'm playing G, C, E, as you can see here. And then I'm going to go to this B minor shape, which is the same thing, 7, 3, 5. And then the bass line goes down to the E. So it goes, well, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes, just like that. Okay, and that's the groove for the whole thing. Now, the bass player plays several different things because it's kind of a jazz influenced walking bass line. And if you want to learn a simple walking bass line, I'll just leave this video link for you up here. It's a cool video that explains how to walk a bass line. But what I put as an abbreviated version of it is for it to go. So it's going from A, it says B flat, to B here, or A sharp, B. And so you're going to go da, ba, da. And this is the Charleston figure. Again, I'll leave a link in the comments below of this Charleston rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. There you go. Well, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance neath the color of October skies. All the leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow. And I'm trying to praise to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. Okay. Now we're going to go to the D minor 7 chord. And so let me show you the voicing that I've come up with for this one. What you are going to play is a D minor triad. Okay, just like that. You're going to go from the D minor chord. This is in second inversion. So this is A, D, and F. It's the fifth, the root, the third. And then you're going to go back to the A minor 7 voicing that we were using before. So economy. We're going to use the same thing again. D minor to A minor 7, D minor to A minor 7. And for now, play the bass in the left hand. Oops. D minor 7 to A minor 7, D minor to A minor 7. Now, I'm going to show you the groove that you're going to play. So it's going to go da. This is the bass line that you're going to play. So it goes da, da, da. That's the outline of the triad. Then it's going to play this little passing note to go back to the A, which is the root of the chord. Then you're going to go 1, 5, 3. So you're going from D minor 1, 3, 5, then a little passing note, and then you're going to go 1, 5, 3 on A minor 7. And then we've got these little passing notes. Da, 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 da. And you can play this over and over again. Just like that. And your right hand is going to continue to play the Charleston rhythm that goes 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Let's play 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 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 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's 3 times we do it, and then it goes shine in your blush. And so those are quarter note triplets. Again, if you don't know quarter note triplets, I will link it here. I'll link it in below too, so that you can work through your quarter note triplets. But it goes 1, 2, 3, seems to shine in your blush. Okay, let's try that again. And so for the E7 sharp 9, I'm playing the 3rd, the 7th, the sharp 9. This is again a typical jazz voicing. So Van Morrison is definitely hip on this one. Seem to shine in your blush. So let's put that part of the song where we're going to go from where things change in the first verse. You know the night's magic. We're going to take it from there. You know the night's magic seems to whisper and hush, and all the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush. You see that? So that's how that comes together. Now I'm going to show you from the beginning to that point, because we want to make sure you can play something rather than playing a lot of nothing. So let's start from the very beginning. We've got the intro on this A minor 7 pattern. So 1. And he does that a few times. Well, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance neath the color of October skies. All the leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow, and I'm trying to place to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. Let's move on. You know the night's magic seems to whisper and hush. You know the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush. Nice job. Okay, so that is the first chunk of the song. Now we've got to get into, can I just have one more moon dance? And so with this, we have these cool hits. Actually, we call them shots in Canada, but I'm in the States. So we'll say hits. So it goes, okay? So it goes, shine in your blush. Can I just have one more moon dance? So it starts on the end of 3 in the bar before. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Right? So you want to get this down so it's nice and secure. This is where the metronome would help. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Tick, tick, tick. That's the imaginary metronome. Tick, 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 or tick, 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 tick. And then when you get to the end of that phrase, you're going to go back to this A minor. Then you're going to go to that E7 voicing we did, 3, 7, sharp 9. That's right. So we're going to say 2, 3. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? Can I just make some sweet romance with you, my love? That's right, just like that. Yes, exactly. So let's take the song up until that point and we'll put the pieces together. And again, this is a video. You can pause it at any point. You can rewind it again. All of that is up for grabs here. And I would encourage you to use the materials that I'm giving you here in whatever way is helpful and useful for you. So if you can't keep up with this, just press pause, scroll back a little bit. You'll have a chance to work all these details out. Hey, I'm a video. It's all good. So let's put the whole thing together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4. Well, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance meet the color of October skies. All the leaves on the trees are falling to the sounds of the breezes that blow. And I'm trying to place to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. You know the night's magic seems to whisper and hush. You know the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? Can I just make some more romance with you, my love? Well, I want to make love to you tonight. That's the whole song, folks. That's the whole entire works of the song. The only thing left that we have to do is the ending. And the ending is really cool because they actually go into 3/4 time. They turn it into a waltz, which is really, really cool. So let me show you that now. So he goes, can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? So we're going to play A minor 7, and and we're playing 7-3-5. And all of the voicings, the next three voicings are 7-3-5. So this is 7-3-5 of A minor 7, then G7, which is also 7-3-5. F7, also 7-3-5. And then we're going to play E minor 7. And for this one, you're going to play 3-5-7. Then we're going to go to D minor 7, which is 5-7-3 with the root in the left hand, and then go back to our A minor 7 voicing that we've been using. So it's going A minor 7, 7-3-5, G7, 7-3-5, F7, 7-3-5, E minor 7, 3-5-7, D minor 7, and then to A minor 7. And we can do this. These are all kind of cool, snazzy jazz voicings. So I have more videos about that I can link below if you want to dig into that a little bit. And so we're going to do a typical waltz pattern. Left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Both together. Can I just have one more Moondance with you, my love? And you can go up like that if you want. Okay, so let's take the very tippy end of this song. So from this part, and then we'll end it all up. 1, 2, 3. Can I just have one more Moondance with you, my love? Can I just make some sweet romance with you, my love? Can I just have one more Moondance with you, my love? And that's the whole thing. So as you can see, I broke this down in a pretty deliberate way. The first thing I always do is just have a look at the lyrics and chord sheet, or if you have a fake book or whatever you have, it doesn't matter. Grab whatever kind of version of this you can for sheet music purposes. You know, chords and lyrics are perfectly fine. That's actually what I'm looking at now. And then you break down, well, what chords am I going to play? What are the voicings? So I showed you that first. And then we started to build the arrangement accordingly. So finding the accompaniment strategy. What is the bass doing? What is the left hand doing? What kind of rhythm is the right hand doing? How are those things going to work together? And then if, you know, the person who's on the recording, they're not going to play it exactly the same way every time, because that would be boring. Van Morrison wouldn't like that. But for our purposes, we are going to do it the same way every time, because it's hard to sing and play piano at the same time. And we need to have some kind of regularity to it. Now, as you get into this and get better at it, yes, you can change it up as you go. Go crazy. But for most people, I think myself included, I'm trying to simplify things so that I can actually sing well and play at the same time. Once we've put all the finishing touches of the arrangement together, then we sing and play it through a bunch of times. Maybe we turn on the original recording to sing along with it. Maybe we turn on the metronome, or we use the iReal Pro app, which again, I'm a huge fan of for practicing along with. And then you've got another song in your repertoire. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, I want you to leave me a big thumbs up. Leave me a note in the comments below. Let me know what you thought. What are some other songs that you're kind of keen to learn, or techniques? I make videos here every single week and would love to hear what you are interested in learning more about. If you want to dive deeper into my work, you need to check out my website, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com. There you can get access to all kinds of great free resources, and you can learn more about the Versatile Musician, which is my all-inclusive membership that includes all kinds of incredible courses and tutorials and videos and print material, and we do a live Zoom call as a group. This is a very, very inexpensive way to be able to get more of a full experience of music education, especially if you're always piecing together YouTube videos and you need kind of a thread to help you keep together. So I urge you to check that out. Thank you so much for coming here today. I hope this was helpful, and have fun playing Moondance. Happy practicing.